Hey, good afternoon, viewers. You're watching live and Begin. I'm Raksha with you. Now, Air India flight from Delhi to Bhubaneswar that was scheduled to depart at 6 a.m. has rejected takeoff today due to a technical snag. Now, the aircraft returned to the bay, and this is another flight that was delayed today. Air India Delhi to Bhubaneswar flight returning due to tech issue. Air India flight AI 473 from Delhi to Bhubaneswar. It was supposed to take off at 6 and it rejected takeoff. Now, Harsha, well, we see that just one after the other that such technical snags have been reported from Air India flights. This one also is a case in point. What more details do you have on this?
So Rakshita, there's another Air India flight. Just few minutes back, we reported about Air India Express and this Air India flight AI 473, which was Bhubaneswar bound from Delhi, but it departed 4 hours delay. The flight was scheduled for 6 in the morning, but because of the technical snag, it took almost 4 hours for flight to depart. It departed at around 10:18 a.m. from Delhi and reached Bhubaneswar at 12:15. So you imagine the passengers who were supposed to reach at around 8 o'clock in the morning in Bhubaneswar, they landed at 12:15 p.m. 12:15 afternoon in Bhubaneswar, and that too because of a technical snag. The major concern is there is no stop to the technical snag being reported in the Air India or Air India Express aircraft. Rakshita, the truth is hidden behind all these technical snags. Whether Air India and Express was hiding all these technical snags earlier, and now when the Air India airline is under immense scrutiny, now they are reporting each and every small technical snag to the regulatory body, and that's how the news is also coming out, and the passengers are also putting it on social media platform. Earlier they used to hide about technical snags, there was no reporting of technical snag, but now even the small delay of the takeoff, even the cancellations, even the rescheduling, everything is coming to know because of the regulatory body.
Yes.
Every small snags is being reported. Earlier, if Air India would have done this, then they would have rectified or fixed many technical snags in the aircraft, which they didn't.